on. Oh, I lost it. I got one right in here. Good bite too. I'm on again. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Pocket fishing, baby. Pocket fishing. Here we go. He's got me stuck a little bit down there. Got him out. Got him out. Good grassy. Caught him on the tail. Woo, baby! That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Pocket fishing, baby. Pocket fishing. Yeah! Didn't even take that long. Hey, storm, man. Hey, right along those ledges. 1 foot of water, you'll catch them. Nice. Oh, Chris is on. Do it, baby. Do it, baby. Oh, you lost it. There he is. Yeah, grassy, baby. Yeah. Nice. Loving it, man. Loving it. Got it. Got it. I see the hit. I see the hit. I'm on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that fricker fight, bro. Oh, he got me in the rock. Oh. Oh. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Coming through. Ah. Yeah. It's a beast. Woo-hoo-hoo! I knew that was, I was like, that's a good spot right there. That is nice. Oh, shit. Right a cabbie right out of the same spot. Ow! Pocket fishing, baby. Pocket fishing. Oh, my gosh. Okay, the light on?
Yeah, we're rolling.
Your turn. See what happens when you get wet? Yep, cab is on. All right, look at that. That's what I'm talking about, baby. I bet you there's a couple right up under here. Hey, this top part of the ledge too. And then see that one that goes out right there in the eelgrass? Hey, he hit that. Oh, he's on again! He's on again! Ow! Look at that! 3 right there, baby, 3. Oh my gosh. You can't get that anywhere else, bro, let me tell you. Fishing the secret spot, it don't get no better than this. Got hit? All right. I'm on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Grassy again. Yeah, Jeff. Come on now, baby. Headshot. Oh, snap! Oh, snap! Oh, it's a good one! Oh, it's a good one! Another grassy! Ow! It's a fatty! Looks pregnant. Yeah! Hooking them up, baby! Hooking them up! Big old pregnant one. Come on, Jeff. You know what we doing with these big ones? We letting them go. Nice. Dang, that was a good bang right there. I knew there was a good one underneath there. A lot of whitewash. There's a bite. There's a bite. There we go. There we go. I'm on! Let's see if I can. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can pull him. It's a good one. He's trying to take me up into that rock, and he does. He's got me. Damn, got me up in that rock. He's got me stuck up on the rock. Let's see if he moves out of there. Probably gonna have to get wet. There we go. There we go. Come on up, buddy. Let's move down where I can get a better grasp on them. Won't take too long to get a bite. Got a short little flip out there. There we go. There we go. Yeah! Grassy! Woohoo! All right. Let him unswim himself. And that's pocket fishing for you right there. Woo-hoo-hoo! That's a big dog right there. It's a big one. Slammed that lure. It didn't even hit the ground. Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice easy release there. Wow. Let's take a look at this shore fishing at its finest right here. Nice. Catch and release, baby. Like that, huh?